Hi, I'm Roman Lysecky. I'm the CTO and co-founder of BGN Networks. BGN Networks is a cybersecurity software company focused on utilizing automation to ensure designs are secure when they're developed before deployment, automation for helping facilitate efficient testing of those designs, as well as runtime attack and intrusion detection technology to detect if your system has been potentially compromised and has vulnerabilities found after deployment. Our first product is a security automation tool called BGN SAT. That tool is there to help facilitate a designer specifying a security profile that defines the high-level requirements of security from the authentication requirements for the boot process, encryption needs for your firmware and data stored on the device, as well as your needs for locking down the physical interfaces of the embedded processor. That high-level security profile, which can be developed very quickly from an engineer or a security professional, is then utilized as part of the automation tools to generate the keys required for signing and encryption, flashing of the firmware onto the device, provisioning keys securely onto the device, and even locking down the processors. It can be utilized both in the design phases as well as through manufacturing to do full automated secure provisioning of your device. Our second product is called AnCyR, which is Anomaly Detection and Cyber Resilience. It's a unique IoT-optimized intrusion and anomaly detection technology that utilizes AI and machine learning to monitor the software execution of the application and attacks, intrusions, or even software defects in real time as the system is running. That gives you the runtime capability of identifying when a device is potentially compromised, along with forensic data that would allow an engineer or security professionals to identify what happened for the system, how was it affected, and how can they patch the system to address any vulnerabilities. Our third product is a collaborative remote and automated test environment called Crate. This is focused on testing requirements for security compliance, enabling testing from functional testing to fuzz testing to penetration testing and even security validation and verification testing. Crate is designed to have remote capability, allowing a pen tester or a tester from anywhere in the world to remotely access a device as if it were connected on a local bench in front of them. That's enabled through a software framework that allows full control of the interfaces, power, wireless interfaces, as well as the ability to re-execute tests and log results from tests. So the software framework enables tests to be reused not only during your design phases of your testing, but potentially to be able to re-execute a set of tests that can be repeated for each firmware update that you have to ensure no vulnerabilities have been added for your frequent firmware updates that may need to be done after deployment.